Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have laryngitis bad today, but I have to make a video. And so I know that I don't have to talk long when I talk about something simple, like something I'm about to eat or a snack or something like that. So in order to get my video out today, I am going to talk about the fact that I can eat real fruit today. I've already rinsed it and everything. So I know it's like she talking about fruit, but it's a big thing because fruit is so expensive. You know, if you out there hustling like me, that I like fruit. I like strawberries, my favorite, cherries, blueberries, peaches when they in season, and watermelon any day of the week, and grapes. And so I try to eat them every chance I get. Well, today we have some cherries and we have plums, very small plums, but I splurged a little bit and I had more cherries than this, but I ate them with my breakfast this morning and I'm going to finish them off because I only could get about this much of them. And so that they so much a pound that I just wanted them so bad. And so anyway, so we're going to talk about healthy snacks today and how we are trying desperately on a daily basis to take in fruits and vegetables. But when you're on a limited budget, you do the very best you can. That's why I always show you when I eat canned fruit. Now, canned vegetables is my everyday existence. I eat canned corn at least once, always once, but at least twice a week, sometimes 3. Carrots, very minimal because they're on my least favorite things. I love string beans. I eat sweet peas, and all of those are canned. Now, when I do get broccoli, I get it frozen because that's the best way for me to go with broccoli because it's frozen and I don't think I can mess it up. I always overcook broccoli. It's just, I haven't figured it out yet. But when I put it in the oven, it comes out okay. But when I'm trying to make some type of stir fry or something, I still haven't figured it out on this particular stove that I have here. But as far as fresh fruit, that is a hard thing to get my hands on. And with my budget, I'm focusing on eating every day. And then after I know I got a meal every day, then I try to incorporate the fruits. Vegetables are up there, but fruits are extras. So again, we have 2 plums. I'll show them to you. This one is not as ripe as the other one. And this is the other one right here. This is the other plum. And then I have some cherries, as you can see. And I'll just show you the cherries. And before you start, I already rinsed them off before I came over here. I'm sitting in my living room because I'm trying not to move as much today. I'm having a rough day. I'm not feeling well, and I have laryngitis. Okay, I'm jacked up. Okay. But I'm not thinking about none of those things because I have some fresh fruit. So, like I tell you all the time, look for the good. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm all messed up today. But the good news is I can sit in pain and eat my cherries and my plums. So that's my blessing of the day. Somebody might be happy today. They won the lottery. I don't know. I'm happy I got some cherries. And these are nice. They are not bitter. And I got these from Publix. I like Publix. But Publix is a little expensive. But you just got to search and search and search for specific stuff. It's a little bitter. But then I haven't had a plum in so long. Let me eat one more and then we can talk. Okay, one more. Okay. I don't have no paper towel over here. Okay. So I wanted to make sure that I talk to you about doing the best you can, because I love snacks. But because I'm diabetic, I can't sit here and eat Twinkies and all the good stuff. Like double stuffed Oreos. Ooh. Love me some Oreos. Or maybe the Twinkies. You know, they had red velvet Twinkies. I ain't had Twinkies in so long, but the last Twinkie I had was a red velvet Twinkie. And I said, you know what? I can't bring these in my house, because I've been on ate a whole box. Okay? So I just don't buy those things and bring them into the house. First of all, they would shatter my budget buying all that stuff. Two, I'm diabetic. I don't need that stuff. I'm trying to live my life better. And so I get fruit snacks as best I can. Grapes and cherries and, you know, strawberries. And I try to show you that. I try to get whole grain crackers and stuff like that. So those are the things that I snack on, which I don't do a lot of. The potato chips and stuff, if you see me in my grocery haul with chips, it's because I eat lots of turkey. And so with turkey sandwiches, I try to buy chips for sometimes. I don't always eat the chips. Now, I like the baked Lays are good, but they just too expensive. Now, when you go to like say I go to Harvey's and Winn-Dixie, and in that aisle, they have chips for $1.25. That's what I grab. But they don't have any that's baked. So that's been my dilemma. And then they got the what was it? I'll make sure I tell you this right. It was jalapeno baked, and I can't fool with those. I can't fool with those. Some kind of artificial taste to it that I just tear my stomach up. I have tried it. So basically, I'm just doing this video to tell you I'm doing the best I can as far as snacks. You have to find the snacks that work for your family. When my kids were small, they would grab an orange or apple, whatever, and run out the door, that type of thing. And then I start getting fruit snacks and different things like that. Anything except the cookies and the candy and stuff like that, I think is a good deal. So I'm not complaining about that. Also, I'm doing the best I can. Now, I had a subscriber one time sent me Pop-Tarts, and I started eating Pop-Tarts when, you know, you get that taste when you want something sweet. And I love cherry Pop-Tarts. But for some reason, I'm not sure what I did to her, but she cut me off. Okay? No more cherry Pop-Tarts for me. But that's okay. Everything happened for a reason. I haven't figured out what the reason is, but I'm still blessed that I got to know her. I'm blessed that she came into my life, and I never say anything bad about her, because that's the blessings that God give you. Sometimes for a minute, sometimes for an hour, sometimes for a decade. You never know. So my blessing today is my fresh fruit. So I thank you all for joining me today. A day in the life of me, a simple, frugal minimalist who loves some cherries. Okay, I love the strawberries too. Anyway, blueberries a little rich, so I only can eat a couple of those, but I told you that before. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got for you today. Eat vegetables, eat fruit. That's what I'm pushing. Okay, so don't write me no letters. Don't send me no emails. I mean, don't put it in the comment section. I am aware of what I'm putting in my body. Okay? I am trying to sustain. I am trying to make it. If you got a solution on how I could do better, then you go right ahead. Right now, I'm living my life. I'm not on here begging for money or nothing like that. I am happy and I'm blessed with what I have because I have everything that I need. There are things that I want, but I am content with the things that I have. And I'm grateful to God for everything that I have, okay? So at this time, we're going to breathe in and breathe out to get our day started. Come on. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm waiting on you. Oh, I'm just kidding. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. We thank you, Father. We are so grateful for another day. Now, I'm finna go eat my cherries and my other plum. And so, before you head out today, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And treat people with respect. Everybody you encounter today, you don't know what people going through, okay? So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.